This stunning table surface is made entirely from something the seafood industry throws away. Millions of seashells transformed into high-end furniture. Every year, millions of tons of shells are discarded as waste. But one factory turns this waste into furniture worth thousands of dollars.
Welcome to one of the world's most innovative upcycling operations,
where ancient ocean materials meet cutting-edge manufacturing.
Each shell carries millions of years of ocean history.
Oyster, mussel, scallop, conch, crumb, each contributing unique beauty.
From crushing to molding to polishing, this is the complete transformation. Let's step inside and discover how seashells become luxury furniture.
It begins at seafood processing plants, splicing boards, where shells are normally waste.
After the meat is harvested, these shells would go to landfill. Instead, trucks collect this valuable material. Hundreds of tons arrive weekly from seafood farms and processors. Each load destined to become beautiful furniture. Processing this volume requires serious industrial equipment. Shells enter the production line at Tepor. Transformation begins. First, non-shell materials are screened out. Computer vision identifies and catalogs each shell type.
Different shells have different properties. Each type processes separately.
Oyster shells, prized for their mother-of-pearl interior. Mussel shells, adding dramatic dark blue accents. The washing room drum jag, essential for food-safe furniture production. Rotating drum washers remove organic residue. High-pressure jets blast away remaining seafood particles. Every trace of organic material must be removed.
Already brighter Julie, but more cleaning to come.
Sanitization. Sanitization eliminates any remaining bacteria. Food-safe chemicals ensure the final product is completely hygienic. Thorough rinsing removes all chemical residue. Multiple rinse cycles ensure purity. Hot air drying prepares shells for the next state. Controlled temperature prevents shell damage while ensuring complete drying. 60 to 80 degrees, dry enough without becoming brittle. Sparkling clean liquid, ready for grading and processing. The difference is remarkable. Waste becomes raw material. Clean shells flow to the grading room. Each shell type retains its unique character after cleaning. The grading room, where shells are sorted by size, quality, and destiny. Computer vision grades every shell instantly.
Vibrating screens separate shells by size.
Large, intact shells are reserved for mosaic inlay work.
These premium shells will be visible in the final product.
Medium shells become decorative chips. Smaller pieces are crushed into fine powder. Nothing is wasted. Every fragment finds purpose. Organized by grade brushing, ready for specific applications.
Mother of pearl, to the most prized material persimmon, is specially selected.
This natural iridescence cannot be replicated artificially.
Laboratory testing verifies material quality and purity.
Every batch is documented for traceability.
Graded and ready, the crushing room awaits. The crushing room, where shells become workable material.
Primary crushing breaks shells into manageable pieces.
Steel jaws crush shells to roughly 2 centimeters.
First pass peak, still recognizable as shell pieces.
Secondary crushing creates finer material.
High-speed hammers shatter shells into chips.
Shell chips, decorative aggregate for visible applications.
Screening ensures uniform chip sizes.
Different sizes for different applications.
The finest material enters the ball mill. Steel balls grind shells into microscopic powder. Shell powder, fine as talcum, strong as stone. Sealed systems capture every particle. From powder to chunks, put sleek. 3. A complete material palette. Advanced dust collection maintains air quality.
Mother of pearl receives gentle processing to preserve its shimmer.
Dark muscle chips provide dramatic contrast in designs.
A complete inventory of shell materials, ready for composite creation. Every grade is tested for consistency.
Crushed materials flow to the mixing room.
The mixing room, where crushed shells become solid material. Bio-based resin binds shell particles into solid composite.
This eco-friendly resin is the secret to shell composite strength.
Planetary mixers blend shell material with perfect consistency. Precise ratios ensure consistent final products. Chips add visual texture and structural strength. Resin coats every particle, binding them into one. Thorough mixing ensures even distribution. The wet composite fabula, shells suspended in binding resin.
Pigments can create custom colors while preserving shell texture.
Mother-of-pearl chips create premium iridescent products. Perfect consistence grind, ready for the molds. Mixed composite transfers to the molding room. Viscosity testing ensures proper flow characteristics. Different blends for different design requirements. Sealed transfer prevents contamination or premature curing. From mixing to molding cretting, the shape begins to form.
The molding room, thriven, where flat material becomes furniture.
The molding room tone. Industrial scale meets artisan precision. Custom molds create the exact dimensions needed. Release agent ensures clean demolding. The mold positions under the dispensing head. Composite flows into the mold, thickness precisely controlled.
Every pour creates a unique pattern of shell distribution.
Even distribution ensures consistent thickness and strength. Vibration releases trapped air for a solid, void-free surface. Air escapes better, leaving dense, strong material.
Compression creates the final density and surface quality.
50 tons of pressure compact the composite to maximum density. Controlled pressure ensures consistent results. Heat curing transforms wet composite into solid stone-like material. Multiple tabletops cure simultaneously at controlled temperature. 8 to 12 hours at precise temperature.
Circulating heat ensures even curing throughout.
Curing complete, the composite has transformed. Gradual cooling prevents thermal stress cracks. Controlled cooling over several hours.
The moment of truth. Demolding. Demolding.
Demolding bar, revealing the transformation. The mold opens to reveal solid shell composite. A solid tabletop emerges, shells forever captured in resin.
Rough from the mold, but the beauty is already visible.
The finishing line transforms rough to refined. Diamond grinding creates a perfectly flat surface. Grinding exposes the embedded shells, revealing the pattern. Each pass reveals more of the natural shell beauty.
Shell cross-sections create unique, unrepeatable patterns.
Progressively finer grits create silky smoothness. Ultra-fine finishing prepares for the final polish. Edge profiles add design character.
Every edge finished to furniture-grade standards.
Smooth, but not yet polished, Mbani. The final step awaits. Ground surfaces continue to polishing. The polishing room, pestering, where beauty reaches its peak. Polishing compound begins the final transformation. High-speed polishing brings out the shell's natural luster.
Watch the iridescence emerge live. Impossible to fake.
The polished surface reveals every shell's natural beauty.
Clear coating protects the polished surface for decades of use.
Food-safe clear coat adds durability without hiding shell beauty.
Multiple thin coats build lasting protection. UV light cures the clear coat in minutes. The finished surface pouted, glossy, durable, and breathtaking. Every surface inspected for perfection. Finished tops await final assembly. Each tabletop, a unique piece of ocean art. The assembly room quiet, completing the furniture. Legs in brass, chrome, or natural wood complement the shell tops. Precision attachment ensures stable, level tables.
A complete seashell table co-freed, from ocean waste to luxury furniture.
Each design showcases the shell's natural beauty.
Final inspection verifies every detail. Careful packaging protects these works of art. Custom crates ensure safe global delivery.
From factory to luxury homes worldwide.
In homes, hotels, and galleries, each table tells an ocean story.
From seafood waste to luxury centerpiece, a good man. A remarkable transformation.
Millions of shells, millions of possibilities have. That's the incredible journey from ocean waste to